Ya ka Abhilasha 2025 ka badai ka program ay jing hikaya kisamla puli ka baarsngi la ple da Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi u Abhilash Bharanwal Henrin kasngi hari Bhoi College. Ya ka ni ka program la penlong da ka IIT Guwahati's Design Innovation Center ha ka jing trailang bat ka office jong DC. Kani ka jing lang katmu ban penchloria kisamla puli banwat ikila traikam ki bathamai. Hakani ka program la sakhiya ka jingishim benta da ki spangot ki khana school na kaleng ki arpautali ki school jong ka district.
Basic objective of this particular program is to sensitize students about the design education and the career opportunities in design field. So as you know, this design program has been offered by different IITs.
But through this program today, we learned how we students can have a different approach to enter into these IIT or IIMs. They also informed us that you don't need to go to all these after your BA or BSc or anything like that, but you can go directly after the 12th for IIT or IIM.
Today I have learned about different interests like CAT, which is very important for our future. Different courses about IIT. I would like to thank the entire team for this program. It helped me a lot.
Awareness program, I learned a lot of things that are helpful to us students in choosing their options of how to choose the careers.